In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TikTok Studio on desktop. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. You can use any modern browser that you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, go to tiktok.com/studio. If that page does not load for any reason, you can also use desktop.tiktok.com, which takes you to TikTok's desktop experience. When the page opens, look for the option to sign in to your account. At this point, enter your TikTok login credentials and complete the login process. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to verify your identity with a code or complete an additional security step. That's normal, and it helps keep your account protected. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile. After you log in successfully, you'll be taken into your TikTok desktop workspace, where you can access TikTok Studio and related creator tools. This area serves as your creator dashboard, and it's designed to help you manage your content more efficiently from a computer rather than a mobile device. Inside the dashboard, you'll be able to work with key creator features such as uploads, analytics, and live tools. The upload section is useful when you want to post or manage video content from your desktop. The analytics area helps you review performance data so you can better understand how your content is doing. You may see information related to views, engagement, or audience activity, depending on what TikTok makes available to your account. There may also be live tools, which can help if you use TikTok's live features and want to manage them from the desktop interface. As you explore the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. TikTok may update the design from time to time, so some menu names or placements can look slightly different, but the overall purpose remains the same. If you don't immediately see a feature, check the side menu or the main dashboard tabs. And that's it. Once you've opened TikTok Studio in your browser, signed in, and entered the creator dashboard, you're ready to manage your uploads, review analytics, and access live tools directly from your computer.